So our next presentation is a Sustainable Development Goal number 7 for affordable and clean energy. Our ambassadors are Mr. Mike Bañuelos and Mr. Thomas Science. So Hector, if you could please screen their presentation, I appreciate it. Thank you.
The Rio Grande Valley's efforts in ensuring access to affordable, reliable, and sustainable energy, presented by Mike Bañuelos
and Thomas Science. Sustainable Development Goal number 7. So according to the United Nations Agenda 2030 Sustainable Development Goal number 7, there are 5 targets to hit by 2030. Now, starting off with the first target, by 2030, we should ensure universal access to affordable, reliable, and modern energy services. The second target by 2030 is to increase substantially the share of renewable energy in the global energy mix. This means to basically increase the percentage that clean energy makes up when it comes to the global energy mix, which means increasing the amount of clean energy. The third target is to double the global rate of improvement in energy efficiency. This means making solar panels and wind turbines more efficient and better able to harness energy from the sun and the wind, which would produce more clean energy. The fourth target is to promote access to research, technology, and investments in clean energy. By promoting access to all of these things, people would be able to implement clean energy in their everyday lives by, for example, switching their homes to solar or things like that. The fifth target is to expand and upgrade energy infrastructure for developing countries. This goal is for the whole world. So it's important that developing countries, when developing their energy infrastructure, also develop clean energy infrastructure.
Our mission statement. With a concern of unreliable, unsustainable, and harmful energy solutions such as fossil fuels, coal, and oil that harm the earth and its people, goal number 7 of the United Nations 17 Sustainable Goals hopes to increase easier access to energy that is reliable, affordable, and sustainable for all by the year 2030. This presentation showcases the efforts of businesses, companies, and people within the Rio Grande Valley in Texas in achieving goal number 7, the wind farms and solar panels. Wind farms in the valley. The San Roman wind farm is made up of 31 wind turbines and produces a total of 93 megawatts of clean energy per year, which is enough to power 30,000 homes. The Los Mirasoles wind farm is composed of 2 wind farms, Hidalgo Wind Farm 1 and 2, and is made up of 125 wind turbines that produces a total of 250 megawatts of clean energy per year, which is enough to power around 89,000 homes. The Cameron Wind Farm is made up of 55 turbines and produces a total of 165 megawatts of clean energy per year, which is enough to power 59,000 homes. The Los Vientos 1 and 2 wind farms combined is made up of 171 wind turbines and produces a total of 405 megawatts of energy per year, which is enough to power around 120,000 homes. The Los Vientos 3, 4, and 5 wind farms combined is made up of 255 wind turbines and produces a total of 510 megawatts per year, which is enough to power around 178,000 homes. The Magic Valley Wind Farm is made up of 112 wind turbines and produces a total of 201.6 megawatts per year, which is enough to power around 40,000 homes. The TSTC wind turbines can be found between TSTC and the Valley International Airport in Harlingen, Texas, at a parking lot. There are a total of 13 non-commercial wind turbines, and their combined energy output is currently unknown.
Solar farm, now moving into solar farms and rooftop solar panels in the valley. So our first example is one of the most popular examples in the valley and is the new SpaceX solar farm. So the new SpaceX solar farm is located at the SpaceX Launch Control Center in Boca Chica Beach, which is in Brownsville. Now, while most details about this solar farm aren't concrete, we know that this solar farm produces around 638 kilowatts of energy and is able to cover the needs of the Launch Control Center. The next solar farm is the McAllen Ranch Solar Farm. So the McAllen Ranch Solar Farm is located in the historical McAllen Ranch, which is in Edinburgh, Texas, and is owned by the Los Faroles. This solar farm is operated by the local Magic Valley Electric Company, meaning that though the Los Faroles own it, the Magic Valley Electric Company is the ones that takes the energy and sells it into their grid. So the total amount of energy produced at this site could power about 150 homes, and it's most efficient during the afternoon. Now for third solar panel array, we're looking at the HEB Distribution Center rooftop solar panel array. So this rooftop solar panel array is located in Weslaco, Texas on the HEB Distribution Center roof. Now this solar panel array has about 3,000 solar panels, which covers 105,000 square feet, making it one of the largest rooftop solar arrays in the state of Texas. Now this massive rooftop solar array produces 1.2 megawatts of power, which can supply about 45 to 55% of the distribution center's electrical needs. Or if it wasn't used for the distribution center, it would be able to power about 3,000 homes. So our next rooftop solar panel array is the UTRGV Engineering Rooftop Solar Panel Array. So this rooftop solar panel array is located on top of the UTRGV Edinburgh Engineering Building. So this solar panel array produces about 10 kilowatts of solar energy. Now, that may not seem like a lot, but these solar panels are mostly used for educational and research purposes. The next solar panel array is the TSTC University Center Rooftop Solar Panel Array. So in this solar panel array, it has about 450 solar panels on top of the University Center rooftop. Now, the exact amount of energy production for this solar panel array is unknown. However, we are able to know that it's mostly used for research and educational purposes.
And that concludes our presentation. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mike and Thomas. Wonderful presentation, and we will continue with our next